Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. The GearTorque wrench is equipped with a 72-tooth ratchet mechanism, making it really easy to operate even in really tight spaces. We love the variety of torque alerts, including vibration, sound, and a shining LED screen. The handle area and the digital display housing are designed to resist oil, grease, and any other solvents. Finally, it has a long handle and impressive torque range, making it a great choice for almost everyone. Featuring a soft, squishy structure, the drop-stop car seat gap filler works wonders with almost all cars. It has a neoprene casing to adjust to any gap size with ease. It has a stretchable and universal hole at one end through which you can slide the seatbelt buckle for a snug fit and hassle-free driving. It even moves the seat, offering maximum convenience. Made of high-quality material, this cute shock absorber is strong. It can make your car door keeper relatively quiet. It effectively protects the edge of the door from small bumps or paint peeling, avoiding scratches and bumps. It can be installed in anywhere in vehicle, like the door or the car trunk. The back of the sticker has glue, which can be firmly attached to the door without falling off due to tearing off. This extension wrench is specially designed to handle the rigors of everyday use on the farm and in the shop. Designed to be used with your own sockets and socket wrenches, all of the wrenches have the versatility to work from either side. With that extension wrench, users can access bolts in deep or hard-to-reach areas, making it an essential tool for automotive and mechanical repairs. With this ratchet, you can remove the time-consuming process of feeding straps in, tying ends off, and removing webbing from the ratchet. With the push of a button, you can release the tie-down strap so it can be auto-retracted, or unspool the exact length of strap needed. The strap's hooks are rubber-coated to prevent marks and scratches. It also provides them a better grip on whatever they're attached to. This is the top-of-the-range turbo nozzle, the best-selling pressure washer accessory. Fantastic power and performance from this spinning nozzle, which is ideal for removal of heavy dirt, grime from flooring, and will even remove flaking paint from brickwork. The turbo nozzle almost doubles the cleaning power, brilliant on block paving and for removal of moss and green algae. Will fit all standard lances with male threaded end or quick-release outlet. Keep your car smelling great by having this cute helicopter car freshener to your vents. The light fresh scent and inventive style freshener rotates anywhere with glimmer of the sun. Just unscrew the bottom cover, add oil to the beach base and screw the cover. Tear the tape to fix the air freshener. The clip keeps the air freshener attached to your vents and out of the way from your rearview mirror. The product straps securely to the body of the seat, and the seat belt can then be threaded through the adjuster to lie comfortably across the child's shoulder. The wear-resistant, strong nature of belt makes it so easy to move the belt up and down. The seatbelt adjuster is fixed on the seat to effectively reduce the tension of the seatbelt without affecting safety, so as to facilitate comfortable driving and riding. The Madotes is a high-tech solution to safe gun storage. The gun safe comes with a LED backlit keypad and 2 backup override keys. Just use the lockbox as a portable safe in the car. You can pack this for a road trip. It fits a full-size handgun as well as mags, passport and high-priority papers. A cool thing about Madotes is that you actually get a concealed micro USB port for recharging this device. Imagine always having your parking spot available and not having to get out of your car to make it work. It controls access of your parking lot using Bluetooth technology. Simply press the up button to raise the no parking barrier up when leaving your parking space to ensure others cannot park there. It is discreet but more than able to do its job. It's very convenient to use across a variety of parking situations. This simple compact phone holder can be attached via its suction grip to either a windscreen or a dashboard. The gripper itself is a simple, spring-loaded device. It's perfect for anyone who has a big phone and hates fighting with car mounts to get their device in and out. The snapping clamps here stretch out to fit big phones with big cases, so you won't have to worry about your phone falling out while you drive. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.